Hey guys, what's going on? Welcome back to the blog. So, today is a very exciting day for me. Actually, evening. I was already in it. So, as you know, I really like engines and stuff like that. So, guess over here. Look at this. Look at this beauty. This is a 2015 Honda. I'm pretty sure it's a 150 or it might be a 125. Something around there, but it's a really cool bike and I get to fix it. So it didn't run for 6 months, so I am in the process of, I cleaned the carb, but on the outside it looks messy, so I still have to clean that out. I'm soaking the chain right now in vinegar because it was very rusty. And on the bike here, everything is very dirty, like very dirty. But overall, I got the filter out, drained the oil. Just a couple bits in there that I have to do. Currently charging the battery. But yeah, this will be a cool little thing because when it's done, it is going to be a nice motorcycle. It's not that old too, so that'll be fun, and yeah, sure. Stay tuned. Good morning, guys. So, yesterday we did do a lot. Lots of cleaning up, put the chain back on, got all that. So today, it's like finishing day, I guess. I hope you get it running today. So first, I'm going to take this cover off, because there's inside of it, there's a timing chain, and the stator. So I'm going to take that off, see what's in there, because it does not make any spark. What I think is also an issue because of this piece that the electricity from the battery goes into it and then converts it into different voltages. I think that might be another issue. So yeah, stay tuned. So guys, I just figured something out really important. So I took this off, everything is good there, but yesterday we were trying to get spark from it. Well, I was trying to get spark from it. There's not two of us. It was only me. For now. So yesterday I was trying to get spark from it, but it didn't spark. So I was like, okay, so maybe there's no electricity going somewhere. Maybe there's like, you know, no ground, something. So I just figured out this. There's this wire right here, and it was like somewhere down here just wangling. I don't know how you say that. But this wire is a ground wire. So I was like, okay, I'm just going to try connecting it to ground. So I put it onto ground, and sure enough, when I go here and I turn the bike on, it's a tricky little thing here. Right there, you can see the neutral light is on. And if I go around to this side and I show you right here, you might be able to see the spark. Yeah, so there's spark. So now I'm really excited because we got spark, we got everything. So now just put that together, put in carbon, and we're ready. So yeah, I'm gonna do some cleanups, put some extra things here and there, you know, just make it all nice. So stay tuned. Alright, so in order to take this off, I took all the bolts out. I had to take the shifter off because this wouldn't come through. So the shifter was very hard to take off. It was like not wanting to come. It's all like very greasy and stuff. So now we can take that off and see what's inside. Yeah. Alright, so almost done. We got cleaned everything up, lubed the chain, put the things back on. Now the only thing is my carburetor is getting soaked right now. So to get all the debris out of the stuff. And then you gotta put the carb on. The guy's gonna get fuel lines, oil, because we got gas. And then we're gonna be set to roll. So that's gonna be cool. So yeah. So far, so good. It's a Honda, never dies. That's the truth. Alrighty, see you. Yeah, I'm going to the market right now, so I'll probably be in a couple hours. I'll come back and finish it. So yeah, see you then, guys. So after 2 days of dealing around, working, smashing hammers, turning your wrenches, and getting your hands dirty, it's finally time to see the truth. Will it start? So, without ado, let's see if this works. So, turn the key. There's our neutral light right there. Okay, go around this side. And flip the choke up. Okay. Okay, should I kickstart or electric start this? I'm gonna go with kickstart. So let's see how good this goes. Ooh, nice. Look at that. Very nice. Well, that was my like 5th kick. It's a Honda. Never dies. Alrighty, I'm gonna take the. Let's see if I turn the choke off. Now I'm gonna try to use the electric start. So that's the electric start button right there. So let's see. She's idling. Look at this. It's a Honda. She's idling. Oh damn. Nice. Man, this is cool. It was definitely a long journey to get, but she's idling. What do you expect? Like, wow, okay. Very impressive. And the gears work too. It's crazy. Alrighty, so see you next time when I do something like this or something similar. But please like and subscribe this video. Will help out a lot. And see you in the next adventure.